it's Sunday today, and it's afternoon already. And we just have a look at the flood here in Tonbridge. Just in the town where we live. It's just 10 minutes to our house. But yeah.
This is the Tonbridge Sainsbury's. Car park's under about a foot and a half of water, flooding. It did flood in 2013.
Yeah, I know.
Daisy doesn't look too fussed. Yeah, it's like a little lake. And the sitting area.
Oh my god, look at that.
It should be nice, as you can see, checkered paved playing area. Yeah. The river bursts its banks over there and come flooding in. Yeah, this is just one part. Then you get idiots like this to drive past in cars. Because he thinks he's a geezer. Because he's a geezer. Not see him stall, not start his car again.
He doesn't have to do it because maybe his car will not be working anymore.
Well.
Come on, it's coming out. Yeah, I know. It's going up there. And next. It's the flood behind me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you on my next vlog.